To our POC Chairman Abraham Tolentino, andyan. To our WBO Leon Panoncillo, nandito rin. Our Mayor Eric Olivares, nandito. Our Vice Mayor Juan Villapuerte, to Mr. Jimal Villapuerte, Blow by Blow family, Marife and Jen, and sa aking, sa lahat ng mga Rotary Governors and Rotarians of District 3810, ang ating Rotary Club. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed awardees, members of boxing community, our dear organizers, partners, and sponsors, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Good evening, everyone. Kala ko hindi pa kayo nakakain eh. Tonight, we celebrate the strength